Hello, my friends. So let's say we have this list of posts. Let's imagine they are books. Now, if you want to add an author or authors for each book, uh, it's pretty simple. What you need is Advanced Custom Fields plugin. A free version will do as well. Use this and create uh, two new post types. I'm going to call them books and authors. Okay, and make sure to add some data, some post. And now what you need to do is to create a field that connects these two post types. Go to advanced, go to ACF. First, let's go and create a field for authors. Okay, first apply this, you know, all of these fields. Make sure that they are applying to author post type here. Now add a new field as a type. Select a relationship, okay, and I'm going to call it list of books because when you create a new author, you see this field and it will be called list of books, and you can select, uh, book which are under this author. So, and then here, make sure to select a book post type. So, so you can select these books. Hit save and create a new group. And now for book post type. So that means you need to apply this to book, okay, and add a new field, same type as the one before, relationship. But now what you need to change is the post type here. Now we want to select authors when we create books. Okay, so select author here, hit save. Now we have our fields created, and it looks something like this. But to make it like connected, you need to do one more step. First go to author fields, click on this field, go to advanced, and now make sure that this option is on. Okay, by default it's off, so I'm going to turn it off like this, and now let's turn it on. We need to target the field which it should be like connected with. If you open this, you will see that in that this field is highlighted like this, so you need to select the other one. Hit save, go to a second group, do the same. Go to advanced, turn on this option, and make sure to select the other one, not the one on in this group. Okay, so which is list of books. Hit save. Now they are connected. That means, for example, if you go to books, Happy New Year, for example. Okay, let me remove these. Let's say now that this book has no authors for now. Now I want to assign this book to Peter Parker. Select and update. Now if I go to authors, to Peter Parker, I will be able to see that book in the list of book of this author, which is here. You'll see that it's here. If I remove this book from this list of Peter Parker and I go back to Happy New Year book, you'll see that the list is blank now, which is fine, which is what we needed. Okay, so for now, just select again Peter Parker and go and update. Now this is for our logic. Now I want to create. Now we want to display these data. So go to Breakdance, Google Blocks, and I said that we want to display a list of books. Inside each book will be a list of authors. Okay, so first let's create author list. go to Breakdance Builder, and here it's very simple. Add a div, add an image, and as for data, select featured image. As for add a text, as a data for text, select post typo. Hit save and go back. That's it. Now create books card global block and go to Breakdance Builder. Now we are creating a card for each book. So what we need an image which will be a featured image of that book, heading which is basically a post title, a text which will be post excerpt. Okay, so like this we will get a result which will look something like this. Okay, now we need to add a post loop, to loop all the authors of this book on the front end. Okay, so as for a global block here, select author list in the query. If you go to custom and select post type authors, okay, you will see like all the authors, which is not what we want. Like this, you will see like all the authors in each book. Okay, we want like just the authors who wrote that book. Okay, so as for custom query, I think it's not possible to do it here. So we need to go to array and write it like manually. So as for post type, here we want to display authors. Okay, if you are not sure how the slug of your custom post type is, make sure to go to ACF post types authors, and it will be here under post type key. Okay, so that's for our post type. Now what I need to do, I want to display all of authors of this book. So which means I need to add a post per page -1, which means it will display all the posts. Next, I need to add a meta query, and I'm going to copy a code and just paste it here. So the thing is, you need to change the key here. The key is basically a, a relationship field of the author post. So if you go to field groups, to author fields, it's this field. Okay, so just copy its ID or its name. I don't know what it's called. Okay, and oh yeah, the key, and paste it here like this, and that's it. Let's go back. Now you will have like the authors who belongs to this post only. I'm going to style it a little bit. Just remove padding like this. It's safe. Now if I check the front end, um, it will look like this. Okay. Oh yeah. By the way, if you wonder, how I created, this layout, it's basically if you go to pages, create some new page. Okay. Add a post loop builder, and now it's a time for us to use a books card global block, okay, in which we have the authors and the data of the books. Now, for a query, just go to custom, select books, and that's it. Now you have a list of books with authors for each book. Okay, let's do some test. Let's say let's add a new book here. Let's call it book one. Let's add some image. And first, as for author, I want to assign William Defoe, publish. Let's go back. And you see that book one has a William Defoe as in the author. Now, if I decide to change the author, like, go to William Defoe and I say, let's remove book one, update, and you see that it should be removed. Okay, give me a second. Oh, it's not removed again. Now, you see that it's not here anymore. Okay, so that's how you create a bi-directional, a relationship in Breakdance with advanced custom fields.